Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? My goals for today, let's see, what is this, day 13 of Tour De Fleece? My goals are to get these two skeins plied up of the raspberry scone. As you can see, I've already gotten started. I got up this morning and saw two big, beautiful woodpeckers in our backyard. I did see, I think I saw a woodpecker way up in the top of one of our trees the other day, but this one was a surprise. And it's a tree that we're planning to take down anyway. It's a silver maple, and the silver maples tend to kind of rot down in the center. So the tree's alive. It's a very big tree, but the center part down in the base is kind of rotted, and there's actually some fungi that's growing in it and things like that. So it's on the to-do list of things to do, and they were circling around down by the base of it, but they were down low and they were near. We could see them from the kitchen, and we actually went upstairs, my son and I did, to take pictures out of the one window. And the windows need washed. So they're still not the clearest pictures, but those windows did not have any screens on them. So we didn't have to worry about the camera trying to focus on the screen. And then my son decided to try and open the window. And when it did, it scared one of them off. And so then he's trying to focus on the next one, and it eventually got scared off too. But that temperature shift, his lens had fogged up, so he didn't get a picture with the window open, but it was still pretty cool. And it was really cool because they were down really low and near the house. To usually they're up so high in trees, they look so tiny, but they're a pretty big bird. So it was really cool. So but yeah, my plans for today is this raspberry scone. So I'm already applying one, and I have the second one here, and we're gonna get that skeined up. And I do not know if I will start on the dog. I don't know if I will start on the spinning any of the caramel apple today or not, or if I will just apply this. We'll see where it takes me. So I will catch up with you in a couple hours and see where I've gotten to, and see where you guys have gotten to. So happy spinning. Well, I have two completed raspberry scones. Okay, I guess I can't eat these kind, but they're still pretty. And it was kind of funny as I was plying them. The first one I had, as you play bobbin chicken, I got down to the end and I had about this much more on one bobbin than the other. And when I did the second one, I had about this much more on one bobbin than the other. That was pretty good spinning. But what's funnier is that I have, weight-wise, these are almost identical. Ounces weigh up to pretty much the same, 3.6 ounces. The grams, which you can get a little bit more precise when you're doing grams, it's 102 grams and 101 grams. So weight, I did pretty good when I divided these. But you can sure tell the difference on your spins, which when you look at them, they look pretty good. They look pretty consistent. But my yardage ended up being 150 yards on this one and 140 yards on this one. So this one is obviously just ever so slightly thinner than this one because it's the same weight. So 140 and 150 yards. So I ended up with 290 yards of raspberry scone. So raspberry scone is done. So 2 more skeins into my blanket. So I now have, I know I counted this last night and I was just playing with all the yarn and now I can't remember. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, I think, including the ones from before Tour De Fleece. I think I have 9 skeins ready to go into the blanket. So I was already laying some out, just kind of, I laid them all out, just kind of looking at the colors I have so far. And I'll show you those pictures on Saturday's weekly update. But it was kind of fun laying them out and just seeing where the blanket's kind of coming together at the moment, even though it's not all done yet. I couldn't help myself. I had to play. So these got done today. And then I took the caramel apple because I'm like 99.9% sure that that's the colorway that this one is the caramel apple colorway. So I took the caramel apple, divided it up, and pre-drafted it all. So it is all ready to be spun. So I can just sit down and spin my 4 bobbins for this whenever I am ready. Whether I will do any of that later tonight or not, I don't really think so. I think I'm going to go downstairs and participate in the family. I have been hiding in my workshop a lot since Tour de Fleece. I do have some wheels downstairs, but the main ones are here and I don't feel like carrying them up and downstairs. I say main ones, but I honestly, I have a Kromsky downstairs, and then there's 2 other wheel. I have another wheel in where the Kromsky is, another wheel in that other room, and my e-spinner's downstairs. So there's 4 wheels downstairs right now, but I've just been kind of using these 2 right here. So I've been kind of hiding right here, and I feel bad because I'm not like participating in my family. So I think I'm going to go downstairs and be part of my family. So these are ready to be spun, but I think I will wait until tomorrow before I start to spin any of this. I might work on some spindles or something downstairs in a little bit, but I think the caramel apple will wait till tomorrow. But it's ready. I prepped it. It's all ready, and that takes some time in itself. So caramel apple is ready to be spun. This has been plied. And that's what I've done for today. So I think I'm going to stop right now, even though I am, I've been stopping late the last number of days. So I'm stopping a little bit early and going ahead and doing this and editing. So it's almost 3 right now. It'll still be probably another hour before I have, videos up and I'm leaving this room. But I think my family deserves it. I don't know, maybe they're happy I'm not down there right now. Yeah. So I'm going to quit for right now. And like I said, I might get, because my spindles need a little attention anyway, if I want to get that skein off of those. So I'm going to stop for right now. And I will see you guys all back bright and early in the morning. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all those YouTube things, and we'll see y'all again soon.